The Law of Detachment. One of Buddhism's principles state that life is never permanent. Things always change, situations change, people change, everything changes. Thus, this is the source of unhappiness. So what does this mean? It means that whenever you try to go after something, you attach your happiness to that particular outcome. For example, if you didn't own a Ferrari, you wouldn't be happy. If you didn't own a big house, you wouldn't be happy. If you didn't have a big bank account, you wouldn't be happy. If you didn't have the relationship you want, you wouldn't be happy. Therefore, unhappiness is self-generated in the mind, and the reason is because we are attached to the outcome. If you compare some of your problems to someone else's problems in a third world country, your problems would disappear. Happiness is really a state of mind. Now I know this is becoming new age thinking, but hear me out. One of the human needs is certainty. We all want to feel certain about a particular outcome. However, the problem with certainty that is really dangerous, because if we were certain with everything in our lives, we live a completely boring and meaningless life. Therefore, in order to live a peaceful life, we must factor in uncertainty in our plans. Mark Boris, the CEO of Wizard Home Loans, once said that it's foolish to plan for long term, for things always change. You may notice this with your life as well. Whenever you set up a plan and execute, you find things pop up. Suppliers change their mind, people are sending out emergency emails. To go from A to B, there's infinite number of things that can happen, and it's important to factor that in. Mark Boris also said that we operate in a three-dimensional world. Know that you're participating in that event, and that event doesn't define you. It's important to approach life from a detached point of view, like you're looking down at the maze and you're not the mouse frantically running around. The events that are occurring won't affect you emotionally because you're viewing it from an objective point of view. So does this mean you should not go after the things you want? No. What the Law of Detachment is trying to say is that you can still go after what it is that you want, but don't be so attached to the outcome because it may change. I started applying the Law of Detachment in my life, and I noticed that it's reduced my stress level significantly. I used to go through so much anxiety and panic every time something doesn't go my way, which always does whenever you go after something. So if you're finding yourself being depressed because of your outcomes, I highly recommend for you to practice the art of detachment. Finally, I would like to leave you with a quote. Detachment is not that you should own nothing, but that nothing should own you. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel or visit www.ubrelentless.com. My name is Kwaboy, and thanks for watching.